Hi everybody! In this video, I'm going to guide you through the differences between public and in-house workshops. Public workshops are generally pre-scheduled on a calendar of training events and promoted externally to your client base or the general public. Public workshops may be charged on a per-person basis and are usually either self-nominated or nominated by the individual's manager. In-house workshops are used for training that is delivered for a single client, business to business. The fee of an in-house workshop can either be determined by a flat rate or per person. There are subtle differences between the two coordination types, and I'm going to begin by talking about the workshop ad page. As you can see at the top, public workshops have a workshop owner, which is essentially the system user who will be responsible for coordinating this workshop, whereas in-house workshops have a client contact. The client contact is usually the person who requested the training, often a manager or supervisor. The other difference on this page is the in-house group pricing. Group pricing allows you to set the minimum fixed cost of the workshop, and then an additional variable cost per learner. If this section is not available for your in-house workshops, please contact support and we'll be more than happy to turn that on. The enrollment pages for each of the two workshop coordination types are quite different as well. However, we will create separate videos for these. Finally, workshops must be set to public to display on your website. In summary, this video has briefly discussed the differences between public and in-house workshops. The next video will cover creating a workshop.